Me have video on my channel. With me and my film and underwear, so you can go look on that too.
The part where me cannot get past is the same underwear where you love take off. So for some of them, they don't want
Some of
wash
them
it.
take you off and put it on their mouth. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
The Parchment fam.
Alright, so today is Sunday again.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like the Sunday them come by faster than we think. It's just like yesterday we make sit down Sundays. And it's Sunday again.
You
So
have to go work tomorrow, that's why.
you don't know, say it's another Sunday and we're back here with another topic for sit down Sundays, you know?
Yes.
And before we get into what we are going to discuss today, if it's the first time tuning into our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell to get notified when we upload videos, alright? And if you're a regular viewer, thank you for your support and thank you for tuning in, alright? So, what we have go on today?
Yeah, so today we're going to talk about men having an issue washing their females or their partners' underwear, especially Jamaican men.
You talk louder, man. I'm sure they don't hear what you say.
You hear me say?
Talk louder. Make him man them hear what you say.
Like, man, them hear me say, it's like you throw me underneath the bus.
Yeah, me I show you underneath the bus, me I show you, yes.
Like, yeah, throw me underneath the bus.
Yeah, man, them not hear what you say. Like, it's
Really?
like if we tell them we are talking. Yeah, people, so that we are going to
Boy.
discuss today. Men having an issue washing their females underwear, especially Jamaican men, we bash that a lot. So, basically,
First of all, let me ask you a question. Do you have an issue with it?
me not have no issue with it.
Alright, so me was 1 year for no
Me
man.
not have no issue with washing a female's underwear.
Females dirty underwear, right?
I think it's basically the ego or this Jamaica that say follow people, they follow fashion.
Yeah,
It's
and
just this thing where they have.
I think it's a hype too. They probably say they don't do it and put up all
I
of
wouldn't
this
say
hype
it's a
on
hype
them.
because
You feel that they really not do it? And then
No.
just I say them not do it.
no, it's just like a majority of Jamaican when man will say, alright, me no eat pork. I don't say they won't eat it, it's just because everybody do it, them start follow to you understand? It's like a trend, you know?
Me know.
So-
But that's what I said. A lot of times they come out and they mouth say them not do it. But then
They still have to do it.
afterwards them still do it and not
Yeah,
like a
and
nothing.
it's like nothing, but it's like if they're around a group of men discussing that,
Especially-
then them are pretend like they don't
Then
do it.
I say them take God off a cross so they not do it.
Yeah, so I think it's just a trend or something where they think they need to
My
get
bruise, them
accepted by
ego.
their friends or, you know?
Yeah, and I mean, my thing is, listen, no matter how dirty the panty be, them I will take it off. So why you can't wash it too?
Ask them. So me ask. I know me not take off no dirty panty. So
Everywhere that I take
Yes,
out a dirty panty. What panty you take off? You know if they're end dirty?
they not dirty. How many they women know man not
If the yeah, but now say if a panty wear it dirty, me consider that dirty.
Yeah,
Right?
the panty
Me have
dirty
on a
when after
panty
you
right
take it
now.
off.
Me not take a shower yet. Me consider
Because
it
you know say
dirty.
you beard and you change your panty.
Yeah, you beard and you change your panty.
No,
me
dirty
consider
panty
it
is
dirty.
considered something different. Like a woman we have on panty for more days.
No.
It's a dirty panty, man.
Then why you don't wash it? When me go take off my underwear right now, me I go wash it because it's dirty, right? It's considered dirty. It's not style.
Dirty where you talk about that
You
different.
know
something
well that's what them say them not gonna wash a underwear, right? A woman take off her underwear and then wash it, and you have to go wash it. That's the same underwear me I talk about. So them not wash, you know. Not saying that the underwear is dirty.
I don't
you know.
think it has nothing to do with the underwear. I think it's just a woman underwear. They have a problem with just washing a woman panties. Like
It's
it
just-
lower than self-esteem.
Okay, so like, all if you panty just buy it, then I wash it. Then basically that's what it is.
Basically, panty for them
Panty,
is just panty,
panty.
period. Regardless if it's dirty or it's new. That
So
is
it's just
thing.
the act of washing the underwear
Washing
then
a woman's
that
underwear
caused
that
the problem.
caused the problem with most of them. You know that me talk about. So when you
What?
talk about dirt, me says so that's why I tell you say something totally different from what me talk
And that's
about.
I mean that's just how me always view it when men say them now wash a woman underwear. That's just how me always view it. But the fact that you're saying that is just the act and me can see where it might seem degrading for some of them or something
Yeah.
like that. So it's just the act whether I clean or whatever, then just like me nah wash
Yeah,
now
and as me
drawers.
say, I just look on it like it's a trend with them where younger generation, younger
I'm not
guys.
just a junk, I don't
No,
think it's
wait,
just
no,
younger.
you not listen to what me I say. Just listen to what me I say.
Right.
I think it's a trend where me come up and hear my bigger brother say he now wash underwear. The younger one, the next one behind him come and hear the same thing. So it's just a stunt way
Our friends.
instilling at them from a small come up. So it's like it hard with the department.
Or even
and
like-
because they're surrounded by it.
Even like say, you know, Jamaica, you go, you play ball, and from a young age, you come up, and if everybody has said that, yo, so and so, then you're a big man, I say it, and
Yeah,
then
so
everybody
that
just
is what
start
I'm trying
saying,
to tell you. Say,
so
it
them-
start from the people, from the older one, and it pass down to the younger ones coming up because it's just a man having yard. He is a Rasta man. He tell kids them all this thing about pork, so they don't eat it.
So they grow up and don't
So
want to eat it.
each child that grow in that household is gonna come with the same mentality. You understand? So I just think it's a thing with the Jamaican man where they pretty much have this way how they look at washing.
Most of them,
underwear
because I'm
as-
pretty sure there's some that don't have
Man
a
wash
problem
it.
with.
A lot of Jamaican men wash it, but most of them even who wash it now go accept the fact that they wash it around their
Or
friends
admit it.
or admit it. Yeah. So
So they
that
wash
is another part of it again. So I
But-
think it's just an ego thing when they have.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, when you put it that way, there's just the act. When you think about the act of washing the
Washing the
underwear,
underwear.
no wrong if they wash the blouse, the anything else.
Some of them
Some of
just
them
don't
don't
think
even
they're
wash
supposed to
period.
wash,
Some of them don't
period.
even think they're supposed to wash
A lot
as a
of them
matter
think
of
they're
fact. Yeah,
supposed,
so
they think as a man is the woman alone supposed to do certain
to
things
wash,
like
yeah, so.
laundry, clean house, and it's like that's a lot of man even before they have a woman, they used to do it, and then when they get a woman,
Yeah.
they think it's the woman's responsibility alone. Not saying that the woman mustn't do it, but
Yeah,
they think it's
they
alone
think it's
responsibility solely for the woman. You understand? Which I would say I would say most
Mindset.
Jamaican men, I would say they can cook for themselves, clean their hose and all those things. But as far as the laundry part, I would not just say
Some of them can wash too.
not just a laundry and a whole, but washing the woman underwear. I think most of them is just that the part that they really look on. like,
Even if they help and
degrading
everything.
her. As when we watch it, somebody video about they groans them out over groans, yeah, groans.
That's what I mean. I've never heard the
So
term.
like that, yeah, but
And the thing is, I don't know, some of the more mature men though, I don't think they have a problem admitting it. Like when they're married and they mature for you and they get, you know, your mindset start
but
change.
but me not have no issue washing a woman underwear. Cause me not see nothing wrong with it. You know?
Yeah.
If you do laundry and woman underwear in the way I go do.
Yeah, alright.
Me have video on my channel. With me wash woman underwear. So you can go look on that too.
Oh, when they're Jamaica.
Yeah.
When me don't make up in my mind, me carry them my clothes back, go do them and I go wash them.
Yeah, but we never
wash
have video. I don't know that we go on vacation people for like a month.
Yeah, man.
And you know your clothes them have a wash. You know? Especially underwear somewhere you change daily. Sometimes twice a day. You change underwear. Twice a day you change underwear. You know say you have to wash them because where you going to put on back dirty one, you have to wash
Some
them.
people wash them right away
Yeah,
too,
so-
as soon as them
Yeah,
take them
man,
off.
me not have no problem washing underwear regardless if it's male or female. Me wash my
Yeah.
daughter them underwear, me wash for your
I
underwear,
know,
me
right?
wash. Nothing wrong with it.
I know, I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't see nothing wrong with them. But to each his own.
Yeah, to each his own, and I think it's something where them look pan away, and I don't see nothing wrong with it. It's just they have this ego thing about them, which
With a lot of things.
it don't with a lot of things, but
It's
it's just
just
childish.
ego.
I would say it's childish, you know, because
That's
you have your wife or your girlfriend or whoever, and you're home and you two are not busy, and you have a day when you might home and you clothes them dirty. You tell me say you have to wash and leave your woman
Yeah,
underwear.
yeah, leave it.
It just don't make any sense. Just like how you would expect the woman wash your underwear, you'd not
I know,
know
right?
if you wash your woman underwear.
So woman all walk and I pick them up off I ground and all this. And
Yeah,
them.
so
And you know, come like I have no problem for the woman. Like you said, this like the expectation is that that's the woman's job. So the men they don't mind when the woman do it, but because that's for them
yeah.
role, you know.
And the next thing when you look at look on a woman's socks. And your foot they go on, your foot they all both full of dirt, germs, everything.
Yeah.
And you wash your woman's socks, but you
Yeah,
have a
that
problem
was
with the
that.
underwear.
The same underwear where you like take
socks
off.
might be your socks more dirtier than the underwear.
Me can't get past that
I
part.
can't
The
understand.
part where me cannot get past is the same underwear where you love take off. So for some of them they don't want
Some
to
of
wash
them
it.
take you off and put it on their mouth. And they don't want to wash it.
It's
Yeah,
just-
that no
because
make
it's
sense.
just the ego behind it, like
Yeah,
you
they
say.
take you off and put it in their mouth. The woman take you off
I
and
know,
bust
but-
them in their face with it. All kind of something, man. Them go on like they don't want to wash it.
And they go like they don't want.
That worse than washing the underwear. I tell you. So if the woman do that to you,
No,
you might
sir.
as well wash your underwear because
Might as
you don't put on yourself.
Just be proud with it. Tell all your friends. You
Yeah.
say, when she ready, she'll take your box moody, you know, so might as well
Yeah.
wash it.
Woman take your underwear and just have box them left and right on your cheek and up and down so. Yeah, and throw you all in their face and they'll catch you and go so. Blush with it.
And
Blush
that
with the
woman a
underwear.
tease you and take you and chew give them and catch you with all in teeth.
Some of them use all their teeth take off it.
That too.
And I go on like
Yeah,
say,
and then if
you know,
just to
wash
wash
it
it is
underwear.
an issue, you know.
Yeah.
It's just the ego behind it, like you said.
yeah, that just the ego behind it.
Just
so.
like they now go tell their friends and then take you off with their teeth, and then
And-
now go tell their friends and then whatever, you
I
know,
wa-
it's the
no,
same thing.
Yeah, true. Me just look on it, and I one covering childish. That's how me can look at it. Nothing else. Cause me not see no sense
Yeah,
in
but
that.
that's why I feel like say as men get more mature, say them married and they stop keep certain friends or whatever the case. I feel like it don't become an issue after a while.
Yeah,
Become like a norm to
yeah,
them. And the thing is now, a lot of men that say, oh, me not wash you unless she sick. Some of them will say that too, you
A
know.
lot of them will say that.
Yeah, they not do it unless she
but
sick.
not that alone. If a woman decides say, alright, she not give nothing until you wash your underwear. And then at midnight you gone out that door and wash it. Remember me tell you.
I wash all the clean one them
What?
too. Take them out and dry wash
If a woman
everything.
decides say she a hold out on the man until you wash your underwear. If at midnight you go out there to wash them feet.
Yeah, but it's just to prove a point to them friend a lot of times.
Yeah,
you know?
me wash underwear and the man see me on the road and say then see me saying that videos and me wash woman underwear. So be it.
It's just another part garment.
Yeah, they can call me out in the public and in front of the biggest crowd and me talk to me wash it. Me not have
What?
no
That's-
shit.
I don't know. I don't know about anybody that wants, especially my underwear always clean. Come wear liners, so it don't matter.
It no matter what me see that next
Yeah, but some of them they probably they're not scarly because they touch it, so me don't know. I guess I don't know.
I don't think you have anything, as me I tell you say, it don't have anything to do with scan or woman
Yeah,
underwear.
because
It's
they
just
touch it.
and woman underwear, period. They just don't want to wash it.
Yeah, just
You know, even if woman have a brand new one around, it just don't matter. It's just underwear for them. You know, them look on it like he put them on a certain level or whatever. Nothing no, that is big and childish. Like in no sense. You know what I mean?
yeah. I mean, it's just
A
another
man wear the underwear around, they take off it, they crack, put them brief catches look like it they wear wrong side and you see them in the dirt.
that we're wrong side.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Too dirty and they want a woman
And
wash
it-
that.
listen.
So why if you wash your woman underwear? Nothing wrong with it.
Listen, so my woman them, you know, let's say you say so yeah, some man they love them white brief, you know. And the woman them they soap them, then bleach them when them they put on light, you know. They come like it's brand new enough,
When
it
them
just
make
they
up
go
online-
style it
when you
again.
make up online and sun touch you are blind, you are blind into it, it's like glistening in your face.
Me I tell you, me used to see it, me see it enough
When you
at
see them,
Jamaica,
when you see
me
them,
used
you
to
come
see
like
it.
when you watch the Jesus movie and
And you see
my
my
blood.
shag.
So then white, you
Like
walk
a
on
halo
and
over
like,
a brief. Say,
what?
I me used to see it when me younger, we have wife and then wash it and put them, you see them put them white, their husband wife brief, pan the line, listen.
I don't care, if my underwear have do stay in the night. No
Ew.
woman may get that for wash.
That's
Me
exactly.
wash that before me not put that in the laundry time.
But-
As me take off it, so me I
But
wash
that's
it.
exactly what me I say as a female. If my panty uno get to the point where if it nasty for your man, like for example, you have your monthly and you mess up. You not see that because as soon as we go in that bathroom, me I wash it out. You not gonna
if
see
me
that.
my brief, if me
No,
my,
sir.
well, me no wear briefs, me wear boxers. If my boxers have do mark in it. No woman not see that. Me I wash it same time.
No, exactly.
You mad? No woman not see that.
Oh,
My boxers look
gosh.
so wash, man. You must be mad. And then you them have argument, they go spread you out the road.
Everybody knows you do it up
Everybody
yourself.
knows say, you know wipe your bottom.
Is it now wipe your butt up good and you do it up yourself?
You must be mad. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, man. So,
Anyways.
yeah, man. But not stray from the topic too much. But
All
yeah,
of
as
the man
far
them a
as
come for
the man
you.
them washing
And
no
me
man
them a
and
come
everything,
for.
no problem. If you tell them we come, me tell
Come,
them.
come for you.
Tell them we come, me give them some of you to wash.
Because what I want to
Want
watch.
help to wash them. So,
That's all nobody.
yeah, man. So, I eat that for sit on Sundays today now, everybody. Hope you enjoy this little discussion and this little topic. So, just leave your comments below. You know,
Yes.
as people
Come
that's
get him. That's
Well-
what they say. Come get him.
well, me there if you take your comments them and them for whatever they may say, I say go, you know. Just attack the truth, me not go come try with nobody just for you get acceptance or whatever. Me not care.
That's
If me
exactly.
wash it- if
That's
me
exactly
wash
what
it-
they do to
yeah,
them
but if
to
me
get
wash a
acceptance.
woman underwear, me not care. Me I tell her say me wash it and me wash it. So subscribe if you want to learn to wash woman underwear. Turn on the notification bell. You know, hit the like button, share. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead right away and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, alright? So that's another episode of Sit Down Sundays. This is the second one in January, right? Or the third
Doubt
one?
it. I remember.
Is the third one because the 1st of January was a Sunday?
I remember all of that.
No, I
details.
don't remember.
It's just one of them.
Yeah, it's just another one in January. So thank you for watching again. Peace.
Bye.